How's it going, everyone? This is Mark Tech. In this video, I want to show you how you can enable Dashcam recording and also recording with Sentry Mode. There's a couple things we'll need. First off, we will need a Tesla that supports it. I'll put a link down below, but it's mainly 2017 and newer models that really work with this. Next thing we'll need is a flash drive. I got one right here. We'll also need a computer. First thing we want to do to get this set up is plug the flash drive into your computer. I'm on a Mac, so I will need to use disk utility to format this flash drive. Tesla needs a FAT32 format, so inside of the format window, we will select MS-DOS FAT. Size of the flash drive doesn't matter in this case, however, a bigger drive will allow you to have more files stored. From there, we will go ahead and open up the flash drive and make a folder. We will name that folder Tesla Cam, one word with a capital T and a capital C. Tesla doesn't automatically make that folder for you when you plug it into the car, so you have to do that ahead of time, otherwise it won't recognize the drive as a drive dedicated to Dashcam and Sentry Mode recording. Once it's in FAT32 and has the folder, we'll go ahead and take our flash drive and we'll plug it into the USB port on our Tesla. There's 4 in this Model 3, there's 2 in the back and 2 in the front. The 2 in the back aren't going to work with this, you need the 2 in the front. To access them, we'll go ahead and open this up. And then we'll open this up as well. And then there's 2 USB ports down here. So we'll go ahead and plug it into one of those 2 USB ports. And then we'll notice up here in the top screen that we'll have a new icon pop up. This icon right here is the Dashcam recording. It is currently recording the Dashcam to the flash drive. So it's continually recording 10-minute clips. Whenever you go ahead and press this icon right here, it will then save everything from that point back to 10 minutes onto the flash drive. If you want to go ahead and disable it, we go ahead and hold down on that for a couple seconds and then press it again to start the recording process. If you want to save that clip, just click on it and it will show you the icon that it is saving. Now, if you have Sentry Mode enabled, it will also save any events that happen during Sentry Mode to the flash drive. Inside the file structure, you'll find a folder with 3 different camera views, the front and then each of the sides. And it will show you each of the sides of the car when that event happened, which is actually pretty cool. And then to enable Sentry Mode, we can either click on this icon right up here, or we can go into Safety and Security and turn it on. So that's pretty much it. That is all you have to do to enable Dashcam and Sentry Mode recording. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave it a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Tech, and I will see you in the next one.